Good morning, sir. How are you doing, sir? How's the family? Please, I want to see you because I know you are great. That's why I want to see you. I'll buy one phone and I want to brass. Let me show you the phone. Bros, I want brass.
Will you keep quiet?
Bro.
Phone time.
Bros. You don't see.
Yes, you.
Bro. Hey, wo. If these bros, I just ain't sabi anything. I said, you know, get sense at all. If you see phone, I won't use that brass. He say, hey, give me phone. See, I see.